Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sundays unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 74. Bilateral symmetry, metameric segmentation, coelom, and open circulatory system are features of option A. Annelid, option B. Arthropod, option C. Mollusca, option D. Echinodermata. Bilateral symmetry, metameric segmentation, and coelom and open circulation are features of. Correct answer is option B. Arthropoda. Question number 55. The structures that are formed by stacking of organized flattened membranous sacs in a chloroplast are granum, stromal lamellae, stroma, or cristae. Correct answer is option A, grana. Question number 92. IPGA as the first carbon dioxide fixation product was discovered in photosynthesis of bryophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, algae. The correct answer is option D, algae. Question number 86. Name the pulmonary disease in which the alveolar surface area involved in the gaseous exchange is drastically reduced due to damage to the alveolar walls. Asthma, pleurisy, emphysema, pneumonia. The correct answer is option C, emphysema. And what is the main cause of emphysema? Correct, smoking. Question number 70. Hysterectomy is surgical removal of prostate gland, vas deferens, mammary gland, or uterus. Hysterectomy, surgical removal of. The correct answer is option D, uterus. Question number 69. The chromosomes in which the centromere is situated close to one end are acrocentric, telocentric, submetacentric, or metacentric. Close to one end. Correct answer is option A, acrocentric chromosome. Question number 61. The domestic sewage in large cities is processed by aerobic and then anaerobic bacteria in secondary sewage treatment plant. When treated in STPs, does not really require aeration step as the sewage contains adequate oxygen, has very high amount of suspended solids and dissolved salts, has high BOD as it contains both aerobic and anaerobic bacteria. Domestic sewage in large cities. The correct answer is option 1 is processed by aerobic and then anaerobic bacteria in secondary treatment sewage treatment plant. Question number 65. The two subunits of ribosomes remain united at a critical ion level of calcium, copper, manganese, magnesium. Which of the ions is responsible for the ribosome subunits to remain united? The correct answer is option 4, magnesium. Question number 60. Most animals that live in deep oceanic waters are detritivores, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. The correct answer is option 1, detritivores. Question number 64. A renewable, exhaustible natural resource is coal, petroleum, minerals, or forest. The correct answer is option 4, forest. Question number 75. Body having a meshwork of cells, internal cavity lined with food filtering flagellated cells and indirect development is characteristic of which of the phylums? Option A, Protozoa, option B, coelentrates, option C, Porifera, or option D, Mollusca. Meshwork of cells, internal cavity lined by food filtering flagellated cells and indirect development. Correct answer is option C, that is Porifera. Question number 87. Prothallus of the fern produces option A spores, option B gametes, option C both spores and gametes, or option D cones. Prothallus of fern produces. Correct answer is option B gametes. Question number 71. Roots play insignificant role in absorption of water in wheat, sunflower, pistia, pea. The correct answer is option C, pistia. Question number 84. The principal nitrogenous excretory compound in humans is synthesized in kidneys but eliminated mostly through liver, synthesized in kidneys as well as eliminated by kidneys, synthesized in liver and also eliminated by the same through bile, synthesized in liver but eliminate mostly via kidneys. The correct answer is option D. They are synthesized in liver but are eliminated mostly via kidneys. Question number 74. The hemoglobin of human fetus has a higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult, has a lower affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. Its affinity for oxygen is same as that of an adult, or option D has only 2 protein subunits instead of 4. The hemoglobin of a human fetus. The correct answer is option A. It has more affinity or higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult hemoglobin. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.